Welcome to all. Today we discuss Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So the reaction goes through acyl ion intermediate. So today we discuss how to form acyl ion intermediate. So as per our discussion here, we also discuss our previous day alkylation reaction. So Friedel-Crafts reaction, total two types are possible. One is alkylation and other is acylation. So in case alkylation reaction, the link is given in our description box. So our part 1 discussion is very important. So you also follow the part 1 discussion. Then we can take participate acylation reaction. So in case acylation reaction, at first we discuss acyl ion formation. Then second we discuss how to form acyl ion formation, the mechanism, what is the mechanism of that reaction. Then we discuss the polyacylation rearrangement. Can we give polyalkylation reaction, rearrangement reaction, and any types of irreversibility and example. So we also discuss everything on that discussion. So please listen and completely watch this video. In case Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, we used RCOCl. That is the main acyl group is present here. So in presence AlCl3, the RCO group attached with that benzene ring after formation of the product. So we discuss how to form this product and what is the concept of acyl ion. So here at first, when we use RCOCl in presence AlCl3, the lone pair of chlorine is present here. So the lone pair is attacked on the vacant orbital of aluminum center. So here formation of the product is Cl, then AlCl3, that is the complex form. But here in that case, where is the plus charge form is my question. After attack, plus charge is formed on the center of chlorine and minus charge is formed on the center of AlCl3. But what is the intermediate of that formation? So now we draw the intermediate. So if we draw the intermediate stage, then Cl slowly attack AlCl3. Now simply we can define this position is represent dotted form. So where form delta plus delta minus, so we know that this side is more electronegative, delta minus, and the carbonyl center C double bond O, the center is more electropositive, delta plus. So here after formation of this intermediate, the reaction goes through. Then when we discuss after bond breaking, then the step is bond breaking. So this bond is breaking on that position. So RCO plus charge form here and plus AlCl4 minus charge is form here. But this one is we represent RC double bond O, plus charge is formed here, but the lone pair is present on the oxygen which can take participate in resonance. So RC triple bond O and RC triple bond O is present here. Now the plus charge is shifted on that position of oxygen atom. So we can easily say that here this one is resonance stabilized, and that is the intermediate at which Cl break. At that condition, when the lone pair attack on the aluminum center, then this bond break. So that is the intermediate formation occur. Delta plus is formation on the center of C double bond O and delta minus is AlCl3. So this bond is break and formation of the acylation carboacyl ion, ACYL acyl ion. We can say that this one is our acyl ion. Now we discuss the mechanism. So we also complete here acyl ion formation. But after formation of that acyl ion, now, but here one thing is very very important, this step is reversible and the step is reversible step here. But after formation of that acyl ion formation, we also discuss the actual mechanism. Now here the acylium ion is here, acylium ion. Now when we use the aromatic ring, benzene ring is present here, so this double bond is attacked on that electrophilic carbon center. So now the formation of product is C double bond O R, and the plus charge is formed here. That is the concept of Whelan intermediate. We also discuss our previous discussion. What is the concept of Whelan intermediate? So as per our previous concept, we here just revise when the D as like here when addition occur here, then this hydrogen group is removed. So when this group removed and the new group is present here, this reaction goes through sigma complex. So the sigma complex is also called Whelan intermediate. We also discuss our previous discussion. So here the formation of this plus charge is formed here, but after formation of this plus charge, then the next step is protonation step, means stabilization step. So Cr double bond, these hydrogen are present here, so in presence AlCl4 minus, it can abstract of that hydrogen, so this hydrogen gives the stability. So the system get aromatized and the product form here. So we can easily say, so here what we do, at first we form of acylium ion. What is called acylium ion? That is called acylium ion. At first we form the acylium ion. So in presence AlCl3, the lone pair of chlorine attack on that aluminum center and formation of this intermediate. Then this bond break. We also show here intermediate step previous. So the formation of plus charge is formed here, which is stabilized through the delocalization. So the lone pair of oxygen stabilizes, the lone pair, the plusar effect stabilizes on that carbocation. So this carbocation is stable. So here the AlCl4 formation is possible here, but in presence aromatic ring, the double bond system attack on that carbon center and formation of the intermediate. So in presence AlCl4 minus, the hydrogen abstraction is possible. So this plus charge is stable through aromatization. So after minus H plus, formation of the product. So first step is of the mechanism is acylium ion formation, and second step is a attack. Which attack? This carbocation center attack. And third step is a proton loss, plus minus H plus. So that is the main important. Here one of the important point is we also discuss how to form this intermediate. So the lone pair of chlorine attack on the vacant center of aluminium, formation of this intermediate, and the product is formed. But our second possibility is the lone pair of oxygen is present, so it can directly attack on the center of aluminium. So we can easily discuss the after attack the formation of product is this. So my question is, where the plus charge is formed after attack? After attack, vacancy is present on that position because the lone pair, this lone pair is shifted and this lone pair participate about the bonding. So the plus charge is formed here and minus charge is formed here. So after formation of this plus charge, so the double bond here present, so it can be stabilized and the plus charge is shifted towards on that side. So this two structure is resonance stabilized. So this one is the intermediate. After formation of this intermediate, formation of the attack through this carbon center atom because the plus charge is formed here. Now when we use our substrate, the aromatic ring attack on this carbon center, so this double bond is shifted and our product is, we also draw CrOlCl3. Now the plus charge is not present here. This one is stable. So after attack on that side, so the plus charge is formed here. We can easily say the hydrogen is present here. So this two bond is remain same. That is the intermediate step. So minus charge is formed here. And now the Cl we also present on that position. So the lone pair of oxygen participate on that system. So then this Cl remove on that system. So the lone pair, after remove of that Cl, the lone pair which attack the hydrogen. So in that system total HCl removed, and this plus charge is stabilized through minus H plus remove. So now after formation of that case, our product is Rc double bond O AlCl3. The plus charge is here and the system is here. Now our next step is very important. The plus charge is present here, so the bond shifted towards the oxygen. So one thing is important, it cannot happen, because this bond here the two possibility occur here. The plus charge when formed, this bond participate, and otherwise this bond break through the shifting. So after this bond break, formation of the AlCl3 regenerate. So this one is happen on that position, RCr double bond O. So now AlCl3 is regenerate. This one is our product. So we can conclude here. So here the possibility is when the lone pair of oxygen attack on the Al center, vacant orbital of Al center, the plus charge is formed the center of oxygen. Then when we use the aromatic ring, benzene ring, the attack and every substrate attack on that carbon center, because the delta plus is formed on that center. This center is more electronegative. So this bond is shifted here. So after shifted, the formation of the complex intermediate. So after formation, the oxygen here the lone pair regenerate. So this lone pair participate on resonance. So then Cl minus remove. So this Cl abstract of that hydrogen, because Cl is more electronegative hydrogen. Then this hydrogen get the aromatized on that system. But here the possibility when the plus charge of present oxygen, two possibility occur here, in on that side shift and that side shift. But here this bond is break, because this bond after breaking on that bond, AlCl3 is stable catalyst. The catalyst is regenerate. So this bond is break and formation of the product is this. So the reaction we conclude here, two possibility occur. One is the acylium ion intermediate and other is through this complex. So here two possibility, because here the presence of Cl and oxygen both are electronegative and both are present lone pair. So the vacant center of present aluminum. So second case is attack oxygen, the lone pair of oxygen. First case is attack on the lone pair of chlorine. So we can easily say that the mechanism goes through total two types of possibility. One of the important term is strong acids, H2SO4, HF, as well as Lewis acid may involve the acylium ion formation in some case. Means in presence H2SO4, we know that formation of H plus and HSO4 minus on the reaction medium. So here after formation of this H plus, the lone pair of this hydrogen, this OH is protonated. So here Rc double bond O OH to form here. After formation of this and formation of the acylium ion, so in presence Lewis acid, in some case strong acid H2SO4 HF for the acylium ion form. This one is the very important, and plus H2O, water. So in presence water, this one is break H plus and H plus then protonated, then formation of OH2. So now we discuss in presence acid, formation of the acyl ion. So now we solve the problem. This one is the problem. So when we follow our substrate, here OH group is present. So in presence H plus, here H2SO4. So this OH group is at first protonated. So we can easily solve our this type problem. So C double bond O, OH2 plus, then the OH2 plus remove on that substrate. We also discuss how to form, then C double bond O is formed here, and that on that carbon center attack, then our formation of product, we can easily say that how to solve the problem. Then this C and this bond is connected here, so the plus charge is formed here, and after minus H plus, the formation of product this one is formed. So that is the main product. So what happened on that reaction? In presence H2SO4 H plus form, the lone pair is attack on that H plus, so the presence of the OH2 remove on that system. Then when OH2 remove, formation of the acyl cation, acyl ion, acyl cation, then the attack through this bond and formation of the product, and second step is minus H plus and formation of product is this. One of the important factor is polyalkylation does not occur acylation case. Why? At first we discuss our alkylation reaction, then we discuss on that system. So in case alkylation we also discuss as per our previous discussion, previous lecture. In presence RCl, AlCl3, formation of the carbocation R plus. At first formation of the carbocation, then AlCl4 minus. Then after formation of the carbocation, the double bond system attack on that electrophilic center and formation of the product. But here one thing is very important. When R is equal to donating, means plus I effect plus R effect is present on that system, donating plus I effect. So this plus I effect, the system gets more highly reactive. So then in presence RCl present in our medium AlCl3, so same type of plus charge is formed on that system in presence RCl. So we know that when the electron donating group present, the attacking and the reactive side is more reactive side is ortho and para. So in that case, after further this product formation, here ortho product is possible, and then we know that para product is possible. Why? Because when R is equal to donating, then ortho and para product possible. So this one is the polyalkylation product. So how to form the polyalkylation product? At first R plus form the cation and the alkyl cation, this one is alkyl cation, then the attack on that cation and formation of the product. But due to the presence of electron donating group, the ring is get very reactive. So here ortho and para position is more reactive. So ortho product, para product, and sometime it get the both mixture product, ortho and para mixture product. So this one is the polyalkylation product is possible. In case Friedel-Crafts alkylation product, so this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 product is possible, but that is the polyalkylation product. But in that case, after formation of the product, when alkyl group present, then the donating effect on that ring is present, but in that case due to the presence of AlCl3 then form the coordinate, after formation of the coordinate the ring is deactivated due to the presence electron withdrawing group. Ring is deactivated through the electron withdrawing effect, so it cannot further attack on that ortho position or para position. So only this product is possible. So that is the very very important term. Polyalkylation does not occur acylation reaction. So the polyalkylation does not occur on case of acylation product, but alkylation product, polyalkylation product possible due to the presence of electron donating group plus I effect. One of the important factor is here, alkylation give rearranged product, acylation does not give rearranged product. Why? Explain. So here in case alkylation, when our substrate is present here in presence H plus, when H plus addition due to the presence of the Markovnikov rule, more branching side is present here, so H plus addition is here, then the plus charge is formed here, but this one is a 1 degree carbocation, that is less stable. So due to the presence of less stability, this CH3 group is migrate on that here. So after migrate, product is CH3, one CH3 group is present here and one hydrogen is here. So in that case the plus charge is formed here. So here we can easily say now this system is not 1 degree carbocation, this one is 2 degree carbocation. Here the donating effect is present on that this side and through this side and through this side. So this rearrangement is possible, and then our mechanism, the double bond just form here and formation of the product of alkyl product, we know that the alkyl product is possible. But in that case acylation reaction, after formation of the acylium ion, when rearrangement possible, then the formation of product C R double bond O, but the plus charge is shifted here. This one is 1 degree carbocation. So we know that 1 degree carbocation is less stable, so the migration cannot occur, so the step cannot occur. So what of the thing is occur? The lone pair of oxygen is take part in resonance, so this plus charge is stable and this one, this are intact, same on that side. So this one is cannot resonance in case acylation, cannot migrate. Why this migration not occur? Because here after migration, here the carbocation is 1 degree form here. So we know that 1 degree carbocation is less stable, so it cannot migrate, because this carbocation is almost stable on that position on the shifting of the lone pair on oxygen atom. So this carbocation is stable. So here no migration occur, no migration. So here no rearrangement. But in that case alkylation, here after addition of H plus anti-Markovnikov rule, here the plus charge is formed on that side and the Markovnikov rule, and the in presence on the H plus attack on that side in case Markovnikov rule, where the more substituted side and plus charge is formed, that is 1 degree carbocation, so it less stable, so rearrangement occur, but in that case rearrangement not occur. Discussion topic is acylation reaction is irreversible. This one is acylation product. We draw the resonance structure, this bond is shifted and this one is open. So O minus R is present, plus charge is formed here, the bond shifted here. So now this bond is shifted here. So here O minus plus charge is shifted here, this bond now is shifted here. So now the plus charge is shifted here. So we can easily say that this system is stabilized through resonance, that is the aromatic stabilization through resonance. So we can easily say this reaction cannot reversible. This reaction cannot reversible because this product is stable through resonance form. So this product stable, so this acylation reaction is cannot reversible. Discuss the problem in presence acetic anhydride AlCl3 formation of the product. Now discuss the problem. That is the structure of acetic anhydride. So in presence AlCl3, lone pair is first attack AlCl3. So now formation of product after attack of that lone pair OCH3. Now AlCl3 plus charge is formed here, but here one of the very important key step is this lone pair, so after formation of the adduct, now this bond is shifted here and then this bond is shifted and the oxygen get stabilized, this plus charge, this bond, so breaking of then on that position, so CH3 CO plus charge is formed on that medium plus O CO AlCl3 double bond is here and that is formed on that reaction medium. So this after formation of this plus charge, then we use this benzene ring, so attack simply away on that carbocation, so C double bond O CH3 product form. So we can say that easily form of the product. Our next problem is in presence concentrated H2SO4 and this substrate is present, formation of the product. Explain how to form the product. So in that case we know that in presence H2SO4 this OH group is protonated. So now we discuss here. Now in presence H plus, formation of OH2 plus. So this H2O is removed on that system. So which product form? This one is C double bond O. The plus charge is formed here. The acyl cation is formed here. So after formation of this plus charge, this bond is get attacked. So after attack, the plus charge is formed here. So our next step is this hydrogen get aromatized. So we can easily say mechanistically the product formation is this one is our product. We can easily say, and so now we discuss the complex. So the plus charge cation is stabilized through minus H plus. Easily solve this type of problem. Here the substrate is present aromatic ring. So we don't think in presence AlCl3 formation of the product CH3 C double bond O plus charge is formed here. So after formation this plus charge, the aromatic ring is attacked here. Next step is same as usual, same. Now on that way, here the simply we can say CH3 present, this product is formed. Why? Para product important because in presence CH3 ortho and para orienting group CH3, but here in case ortho product, due to the present steric clouding, the ortho product is not formed here, only para product form, but ortho product form in a minor amount. But our second example is here when the COCl, this Cl is removed in presence AlCl3, formation of the plus charge is here, so then attack is possible here and formation of the simply product is here. So we can easily say, but in that case nitrobenzene the reaction cannot goes through. In case we also discuss alkylation reaction and acylation reaction cannot proceed because the ring is deactivated in presence withdrawing group or halogen group. So now we discuss all problem is solved on that way. The all problem goes through same intermediate, same mechanism. So friends, we also complete Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. What is the mechanism? Every key point is very important on that video. So please watch as per our regular information and subscribe, share and all problem is solved. So YouTube is the platform that very less time. So we also discuss a minimum amount. So if any problem, any types of discussion, please contact me. Thank you.